I would like to say good morning to the family from Naulu,
Right.
Especially to the village of Tumbalevu na Maratailevu.
Oh.
Not forgetting Tukay Abu, and also to Tabale Noah, Tabale Leli, to the Karua there
Yes.
from Naulu joining this morning. And not forgetting Mbujosi and the family to the family from different parts of Fiji.
Right.
In the islands of Fiji, which consists of how many islands in the Fiji Islands. We thank you for joining this morning and celebrate more on the 11th of February because we are looking forward for the 14th of February is coming soon.
Yeah, Mayor Talangani is saying good morning to all the students boarding the bus, to all the parents going to work, and to all the bus drivers as well. Thank you so much. Antara itabile barangaramu to kono nonda Raiva ni Beto Lilian na buku ni Bibali Toka and a very matagatudo ko Sara mambota ni something as a traffic too traffic starting traffic this morning and tuning in. Don't worry, you will get there eventually.
No, musikin nambati mwena koro de meshi. Kudo daw bakadaba.
Frog.
For myself, frogman.
Yes,
some of us open the mouth.
That's the superstitious belief. That's the belief of our ancestors.
Siya nganin to na bisaw.
Sinta bisaw?
Siya nganin to bisaw. I open the frog's mouth.
Oh, no,
I give my saliva to the frog. Mouth to mouth when I'm because they are very catchy. They got a magnetic tongue. The frog.
Magnetic field.
Yeah, because if a fly is running past, they just intercept using their tongue.
Like what?
They are magnetic tongue. Yeah. Myself, if I got a painful teeth,
yes,
I just go straight to the hospital.
Now,
we put inside our mind, teeth play a major role in our life.
Right.
Yeah.
So, if you, sometime, the dental doctor, they said,
the dentist,
the dentist, they said, if your teeth is sometime is becoming a decay, you can take it for repair.
Right.
Melain bulu.
Filling.
Yeah, you go and filling.
Yes.
Because once you lose that teeth, you won't able to transplant your teeth.
Yes.
Right.
It will never grow again.
You never grow again.
Right.
Better come and repair for filling. Rather than trying to remove it from there. Because if you sleep sideways, they play like a seawall in your mouth. If you got absent teeth from that row, if you sleep like this on the side, the saliva inside they won't able to take from the seawall. They will come outside. Realize this.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut it.
So your tongue will act like a teeth, blocking that passage.
Block the passage. And sometime the force, the current of the saliva, they will remove your tongue from each position. Because teeth too, they help in the pronouncing the words.
Yes, true. True.
Once you have absent teeth, the tongue itself that help to pronounce the word using the teeth. Sometimes, if you have your carnivorous teeth, you have absent teeth from the middle.
Yes.
Kortonahuka. You have the prop on the side.
Yes.
Once you say some words, before the words start, your tongue comes out. Because the teeth play a major role.
Yes, true.
Be careful of your teeth.
And also, some people are dying from just because of tooth problems, tooth decaying. Once it reaches the roots, and we have to be very careful because the teeth is connected to the head. Nangonon daw makalaki na mos ni bati, and nakilala talaga na mos ni gabog-gabog. Sabi naman din, Messi?
Truth up.
Yes.
See myself, absent teeth in front.
How many teeth absent now?
Oh, so many absent teeth. Okay. Because once I got a pain on the teeth, I go to the dental. The only cure for this one is to remove skin from the each position.
Mo tukuna nga ngona dikikira na batigo mena ko rumbitikira na rabusa.
Bitonan rabusa sa makana serkoli. Sometime one day when I was in Lomaybuna, I don't know kasama sila batigo. And what's not decaying, I was like this, what for?
How?
How?
How come?
How come you like this? It's COVID-19 time, eh?
Yes.
So I went to Bunindawa Hospital. I went there, they check my known. They take kapakana ni lubabaibo.
Yeah.
Quando
Palama.
Iya like lugala palama quando que launjiri, me launjiri.
Yeah.
When ting ting. When ting ting. Then I said, which one? When ting ting.
Yeah.
Which one? You in front or the back?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's all pen here. I don't know which one.
They do the air thing, then check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They watering.
Yeah.
They airing.
Yeah.
Then they ting ting.
Yeah.
And they know.
Yeah, from ting ting, then they here it's
Yeah.
pain.
Yeah.
So I asked the doctor, what's wrong? Because not decaying, not
Everything is
maybe
outside.
the internal body of your teeth
The
is
roots.
been
The roots.
Yes,
Yeah.
the roots.
So how?
Yeah.
No, sometimes like myself, sometimes when you feel pain on the bottom of your one bottom teeth here.
Yeah.
But when I go to the hospital, then they said, no, the one at the top is decaying.
Yeah.
So you have to, no, this one is, no. You have to remove the one on top.
Oi.
They
Yeah.
they know their job, eh?
Yeah.
Brush your teeth
Right.
every day after meal
Yeah.
Right.
using fluoride toothpaste.
Before you
Yeah.
sleep
Yeah.
as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Kaya ka ndingi taken dua nambati, siya na tubu-tubu nimbati, viran na manu-manu, tungo weekenda. Memang somita ka nambatimu, naman mo na tambeka, iko binakata memang susomita ka nambatimu.
Binakatabi ako Mickey Mouse. May ruang ako rutiliw. May bakariritu may kasar-sar.
Iya, roya sa bunga tanga tapi
Iya,
nang tanga.
Kaya ka iko Mickey Mouse, iko gengito, iko na tombo.
Right.
Because only one teeth will show. On the body texture.
Iyo, that truth.
And
You
so
know,
kaya na scratch.
it's very teeth is a very good
Yes.
Important.
Very important.
very
Yes.
important in our lives.
Dinasara.
Be careful of your teeth.
Yeah.
Sometimes we lose our teeth during drunk, because we bite the bottle of the
Bottle cap. Bottle cap.
Right. We have to be careful. Sometimes nangonan ni ngunukang bata-bata.
Right.
Be careful.
Snacks, yes. And even if you get into a fight, be very careful of your teeth.
Once
Don't
you
go
lose
like
your
that.
teeth, you put inside your mouth.
Yeah.
You are lacking your intestine, your body may nakenandaw mamay baka binaka.
Right.
So it will help you. Ay napakabuna ng berang-bera ni
Kana.
ngada-ngada.
Yeah.
Ay nakenandaw kang ginakemo.
Yeah.
So nangaw na sometimes if you eat some of your favorite food,
Yeah.
you unable because your gum is there, your teeth is gone.
Kaya ka ngandra pa me baka sisisil mama na kemu ka kana lubata kaya na batimu.
Lubata kaya ng batin may daramasi ka. Hey, thank you very much to Ace Lewabido, Mbulbinaka Warehouse, Tabakumulotoka, Dombula, and everybody joining from this morning. Love your breakfast. Be careful of your teeth. Brush your teeth. Exchange your toothbrush.
Exchange your teeth.
So